Let's get started with creating your ManyChat account. First, visit ManyChat.com and click the Sign Up button, typically found in the top right corner. You'll need to enter a valid email address, choose a strong password, and select your region. ManyChat offers different plans, including a free tier, a pro plan starting at $10 a month, and a business plan starting at $29 a month, with team collaboration features. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Be sure to agree to the terms, especially regarding data processing for EU users under GDPR. This will give you access to the ManyChat dashboard to start setting up. After signing up, ManyChat will send a verification email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication via SMS. You'll receive a 6-digit code on your phone to enter for verification. Alternatively, use an authenticator app like Microsoft Authenticator for 2FA. The app generates time-based codes for secure access. Next, connect your social media channels like Facebook page or Instagram business account. This requires admin access, and ManyChat will prompt for OAuth permissions. For WhatsApp or SMS integration, verify via API keys from Meta or Twilio. Ensure business phone numbers are registered and compliant with regulations. Finally, complete your business profile by adding details like business name, website, and industry. This information is crucial for chatbot customization and compliance purposes.